Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, and today, folks, we are going to be talking Bitcoin in 3 minutes or less. Let's go. So, we are currently trading at just above $1 trillion market cap. This is so important. On yesterday's video, I was kind of talking about how I would like to see somewhat of a bounce off around the 47.5 level. We're trading at right about the 47.5 level right now. So before we get into this any further, check me out on Twitter at Real6Fig. This is where I'm dropping all the latest and greatest links to crypto interesting news, links to upcoming live streams, and upcoming videos. So if you could just show me a little love, follow me on Twitter, and smash that like button, folks, I would truly appreciate that. So let's get right back into Bitcoin, because this is an interesting setup. And one thing I like about current price action is that it seems to be peaking out right around this $52,000 level. And while this is probably making everybody mad, we can see that the most recent lows are continuing to get higher. With that said, that is a great thing to see, and we may be by default creating some sort of ascending triangle, which is bullish. But the other thing is, it's off a bear leg this time, so we could easily see the trend continue downwards, but it would be awesome to see this act as a launch pad to propel price upwards. Now, I do want to incorporate a little bit of Fibonacci time sequence into this TA today. Looking back in hindsight, it did correctly predict a little shift in momentum at this little run here. So that is very important. It predicted a shift in momentum here, and it predicted a shift in momentum here. So in hindsight, this thing is pretty accurate. I want to say 95%. With this little mishap here, I do think that sometime on January 4th, we may see another shift in momentum in regards to price. Now, if we go ahead and look at this on this 4-hour chart, what can we see? We can see that the candles are really starting to turn into spinning tops, things like that. There's long wicks on both sides telling us that, hey, the bulls and the bears really are in a competition for this latest dip. Bears want to go lower, the bulls want to go higher. But with that said, I do think there is a chance to see Bitcoin maybe return to these $52,000 levels. Now, if that does happen, remember, there is a Fibonacci time sequence within 4 hours of 6 p.m. Central Time on January 4th. So we may see price action dive back down to the downside and maybe retest this trend line one more time. And if it can support it, we might see a nice move to the upside. So currently, Bitcoin, it's being Bitcoin, and there's not much we can do about it until we know the direction of this pattern that price action is going to travel. So I really think that as of right now, we're going to see some sideways trading for the next few days at least. So with that said, big shout out to all the Patreons. Folks, I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon, it's $3 a month. It'll get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day wherever you are at in the world.